My name is Katerina Mazza and my project is to create a Youth Advisory Council, YAC, at Camden Council. I am passionate about this project because I am a young person myself and I feel it is essential for all young people to feel valued and to have a sense of acceptance, community and interconnectedness. By implementing the Camden YAC, it will give Camden young people a chance to become a part of the wider Western Sydney community and to have the same opportunities as other young people in other LGAs. It will also provide young people with more activities and events to attend. I'm very passionate about young people, law, politics, social justice and human rights, and I show this passion by creating and implementing and being part of Camden YAC. As a young person, regardless of where you live, what you look like or what you do, you are always faced with criticisms, such as the media, who always tend to portray young people as being involved in crime and antisocial behaviour. It is important to try to overcome these negative images and to work hard towards reinforcing positive images of young people and continuously promoting the positive achievements and attributes of young people. Through my work at Camden Council, I contribute to the local community and young people particularly by assisting young people to work together to show the community that we have many positive attributes. Together we can prove that we are passionate, intelligent and committed members of the community that want to make positive changes. I am contributing by providing a voice for young people in the local community. It will continue to have a positive impact on the local community as the area grows. New developments in the LGA, Camden LGA, means that more young people in the area. So it is highly important to keep them engaged and entertained. Camden YAC is also assisting in creating a more positive image for young people. It is important for the media and the local community to see that youth are capable of achieving great things when given the opportunity. I believe I am a pioneer as over the last year I have shown great leadership skills by effectively developing the Camden YAC. I volunteered my time at council by assisting to create a YAC from scratch. I took the initiative to create a charter, application forms and interview questions. I then assisted the Council Youth Project Officer in interviewing all the applicants and making decisions such as location and times of meetings, as well as ideas for team building, guest speakers and skills development. Further, I am a hands-on person and I believe that my vision, along with creativity and hard work, can allow me to make huge positive changes and to lead the way for other young people to follow in my footsteps and also make great changes. Thank you.